In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update deals on mobile in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you manage your pipeline on the go, this quick walkthrough will help you stay organized and up to date without sitting at a desk. First, open your Pipedrive app. As it launches, you'll land on the home interface designed for quick access to your sales tools. If your app looks slightly different, that's normal. Pipedrive's mobile interface can vary a bit between devices and versions, but the core layout stays consistent. Give the app a second to sync so your most recent pipeline data is ready to work with, especially if you've been active on desktop or a different device. Next, press Deals on the bottom bar. This is your command center for everything related to your pipeline. The Deals tab usually shows your pipeline in either a list or a board view, with columns for each stage you've set up. You'll see deal names, values, owners, and expected close dates at a glance. If your team uses multiple pipelines, you can view those from this screen as well, letting you focus on the exact segment of your sales process that matters right now. Inside the Deals area, you'll find all the essentials for keeping information fresh. This is where updating a deal's details becomes fast and intuitive. You'll notice that deals surface key fields like stage, value, and probability, along with handy places to capture notes and activities. It's ideal for quick touch-ups after a meeting, adding context right when it's top of mind. You'll also have visibility into the deal's timeline, recent interactions, upcoming tasks, and any notes your teammates have shared, so everyone stays aligned. If you prefer to scan first and then refine, use the sort and filter options to zero in on the deals that need attention today, such as those with near-term due dates or at-risk stages. You can quickly review what's moving forward, what's stuck, and where a small update might make a big difference. Consistent, brief updates right from the Deals tab help maintain accurate forecasts and prevent last-minute surprises. A couple of quick tips to keep this smooth. Short, structured notes are easier for teammates to digest. Keep naming conventions consistent to make searching effortless. And when you're on the move, voice dictation can speed up note-taking. If you ever work with limited connectivity, the app can hold changes and sync them once you're back online. That's all there is to it. Open your Pipedrive app, then press Deals on the bottom bar. With those two actions, you're exactly where you need to be to keep your pipeline current in minutes.